Hello and welcome to our scenic journey. Today we are heading towards Milford Sounds, where we will enjoy a boat ride amongst amazing fjords and waterfalls. We left early in the morning to catch the cruise by lunchtime, and we were greeted by a sky full of vibrant colors. The entire journey is filled with lush fields and rolling hills, setting the perfect tone for an unforgettable day. If you enjoy these views, please hit the like button right away. It means a lot to us. At our very first stop, we were lucky to spot a beautiful rainbow stretching gracefully against the backdrop of a small town, perfectly reflected on our coach. A cool breeze, a warm cup of coffee in hand, and a rainbow in the background made for a memorable photo opportunity with my wife. Our drive is filled with open roads and green countryside. As the day breaks, grazing sheep and cattle enhance the scene while mountain peaks rise under a bright blue sky. The fresh, energizing air sets the perfect mood for the day-long adventure. Next, we make a special stop at Mirror Lake. Here, a wooden walkway hugs the lake's edge, and as you stroll along it, you can admire the trees perfectly reflected in the calm waters. The clear reflections and soft light create an excellent photo opportunity. Let's take a moment to breathe in this peaceful vibe and capture the beauty. Our drive offers even more surprises. At several stops, we were greeted by expansive views of lush green fields, majestic mountains, and endless blue skies. This breathtaking backdrop reminds you of a Bollywood film set. It provided a picture-perfect setting for a dramatic photo shoot, capturing nature's grandeur in every frame. We had few more opportunities to stop and capture serene, refreshingly candid moments. Closer to Milford Sounds, nature revealed its softer side. We discovered small waterfalls cascading gracefully over rugged rocks. Are you loving this visual journey? Leave a comment and let me know which scene you found most inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more adventures. Every like and share helps bring these beautiful moments to more people. We are now approaching our cruise boarding time. The sun is high and our energy is at its peak. This journey has been a delightful blend of simple pleasures and natural beauty. Thank you for joining me on this scenic journey. Stay tuned for our upcoming video about the Milford Sounds boat ride. It's coming soon. Bye.